Hi, I'm Aaron and I'm in the kitchen, and today I am making buffalo chicken dip. Okay, so we are starting off with our chicken pre-cooked in the air fryer. I have 3 thighs and 1 chicken breast. Come on off. Come on off. I didn't season the chicken at all. Didn't do anything special to the chicken. It's not necessary. And you can cook your chicken however you want. I just wanted mine to have like the crispy taste from being in the air fryer. That's all. But usually I will boil this chicken or do something like that. I am going in, oh, this is 500 grams of chicken, by the way. So 3 chicken thighs and 1 chicken breast. I am going in with 265 grams of cream cheese. Going right in with that. Make sure that your cream cheese is room temperature before you start. And I think mine is. It's been sitting out for a little while, so yeah, this is pretty soft. I added the, oh gosh, look at that. I added the chicken to, I added the cream cheese to the chicken because sometimes when you mix the chicken up with a mixer like this, it doesn't want to do it without having something to attach to, so I added the cream cheese. So just mixing. If you did not know, you can shred chicken like this. That's what I'm doing. I'm shredding my chicken. It's wanting to fly. Let me see. I might need a bigger bowl because my chicken's wanting to fly everywhere. Okay, had to do a quick little switcheroo here. Well, doing a switcheroo as we speak. If your cream cheese was not warm enough before you mixed it in with the chicken, then it is warm enough because the chicken's still hot. Okay, like I was saying, you can use this thing, the hand mixer or stand mixer, in order to shred your chicken if you didn't know that you could do that. It's pretty fast and it's pretty easy. If you have a stand mixer, do the stand mixer so your chicken doesn't go flying everywhere like mine is. Whew. All right. Well, that flew everywhere. You could also do the old-fashioned way and get 2 forks and shred it that way, but look at me. Trying to skip steps and adding steps. So next thing I'm gonna do is chop up the booty pieces of my green onions. I'm gonna chop off these booty pieces. And we are going to add the booty pieces to our mix here. Keep the green part as well because we are going to garnish with those and add them in while we're eating because they add nice flavor as well. But the booty pieces can be baked in. Pretty generously chopping our pieces here. And I'm gonna go and put a pair of gloves back on because I don't want my hands to smell like onions. Roughly chopping this. Normally, I would probably use a food processor just to get through this part, but I'm gonna use my food processor later in a dessert recipe. So I'm just gonna skip that today. So normal onions don't make me cry, but green onions, for whatever reason, do actually get to me. I do not know why that is, but I am tearing up over here right now. Ooh. So I have 4 of these onion booties. That was a song, by the way. If you know that song, then let me know in the comments. But I have 4 of these onion booties going in, and I'm going to use all 4 of the green onions, so the whole things. And I'm pretty sure when you get these at the grocery store, it comes in a pack of 4. So I will chop those later, but for now I'm going in with pickled jalapenos. And take out my scale so I can tell you exactly how much I'm using. And you can add this or omit it. That's up to y'all. Let me put this over here. And I'm gonna put my cutting board on my scale because, yeah, let's see if this works out. Okay, I'm going in with 50 grams of pickled jalapeno. I'm just giving you grams so you know exactly how much to put in. And then I will go ahead and add my Frank's buffalo sauce in here. I normally use about a half a cup, but I'm gonna be more generous today. So let's say, how much is in here? Let's say 75 grams is what I'm going for. Okay, that's 75 grams. I'm gonna mix it and see. No, I'm gonna go ahead and add 100 grams. Why not? I'm the only one eating this, so it doesn't matter if it's a little bit on the spicy side because it's just me. Okay, 100 grams buffalo sauce. Put my scale away. I'm gonna mix this and then show you the color in a second here, but I'm gonna chop these up first. Just throw those in. Get them. Go in there. Rough chop the jalapenos because you want big chunks, or at least I do. Take my gloves off again. Now, let's go in with some seasonings. Going in with a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of white pepper, teaspoon of dill, and a teaspoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of parsley, and then 100 grams of cheddar cheese. Now get everything a good mix. It already smells so good. And it's not even cooked yet. I think my dish is too big. I think I'm just gonna add another brick of cream cheese. Do I do that? You know what? I think you guys could add 1,000 grams of chicken to this. I only added 500 grams, but I think you can add 1,000 grams of chicken.
So 500 more.
Yeah, 500 more. Is my dish too small? I think my dish is too big. Too small? Too big. Too small? Too big. Too small? Too big. I think my dish is too small. I'm gonna add another block of cream cheese, why not? Also, just in case it was too hot, there we go. If it was too hot, I just neutralized it. And if it wasn't too hot, then I just add more jalapenos to it when I'm eating it. Okay. Yeah, that did the trick. Okay, yeah, that did the trick. Obviously, this is a great dip for a party, and I'll show you how I decorate this. So this would be the point. Actually, earlier, you should have preheated your oven to 190. This is gonna bake for 25 minutes. And we're gonna top it with some cheddar cheese. I'm not gonna give measurements for the cheddar cheese because it just depends on how big your dish is. All right, we're covered. I'll see you guys back for the taste test. Oh, sorry. 190, so that's 375 for most of you guys, and it's gonna bake for 25 minutes. We are back and it's time for the taste test. I have in here some pork rinds. I have some chips, but they're rosemary chips and they are pretty thin, so I'm not going to use those for this because it's a chunky dip, but I am gonna put a little bit of pork rinds in there and eat it like that. Whew. You see that steam coming out? My goodness. I'm just gonna put this on top of my pork rinds. Get me a little portion of this here. Trying to tell myself not to be too greedy here. All right, we're gonna try ourselves a little bit of this. It is right out of the oven, so it is hot, 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 hot. Hot, 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 hot. The cream cheese with the pickled jalapeno gives it like a really, really nice tangy flavor. I would not skip those pickled jalapenos if I were y'all. I'm stealing from my own garnish here and putting a little bit on top. This, y'all, is a 10 out of 10. And not only is it a 10 out of 10, but if you are low carb or keto, I'm not, but if you are, this is a great little dip that you can have, especially with the pork rinds. I just like to have it this way. This is a 10. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.